Today I need to do some maintenance on this car, but Katie took the BMW to work, so of course all of my tools are in the trunk of that car, so I'm gonna go to her work and pick up my tools and then we can get started. Yeah, I'm here. Alright, so today I need to do an oil change on this car, but there's just one small problem, and that is that ever since we installed coilovers and pretty much maxed out how low they'll go, my ultra low profile jack no longer fits under the car, so gotta come up with a solution for that. So as you can see, I just built this little makeshift ramp out of some wood that I found laying around in the garage, and this should get us the height that we need to get the jack under there. That is amazing. So I'm sure one day I'm gonna look back on these YouTube videos like, who would want to lower their car, but for right now we're just enjoying it, you know, the lowered lifestyle, and I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so now that that's taken care of, we're just going to get it all cleaned up for her. That way Katie will have a nice clean car with fresh oil in it. Alright, that does not look good. Alright, so Katie will be home any minute, so I need to get this dried off, but I just want to say thanks for hanging out with me today. I like doing videos like this that are just more laid back. I know I do a lot of formal videos on the channel, a lot of informational stuff, but I really like doing stuff like this too, just kind of hanging out, vlogging, just whatever I'm doing for the day, just filming, because I love filming, I love making YouTube videos. So thanks for sticking around to the end, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. How was it?
I think I'm gonna start driving this more often.
Why? You like it?
I like having a sunroof.
You like the steering wheel?
No.
Why?
It's really big.
So? Can you get a good grip on it?
I don't have a comment for that.